Alright, we're going to need 3 pieces of 1.5 inch times 28 inches and 1 piece of 7/8 inch times 6 inches. So take your 1.5 inch piece and you're going to fold it in half and crease it really good so you can see that center line. Take the right side and curve it around to the center and line it up with that center line and then pin that to hold it. And then take your other piece, go down around and then join it right in the center with your other piece and pin that as well, so you have kind of a figure 8 going on. Then you're going to take your right side and you're going to kind of pull it out to where you can find your center and then line it up with the side and clip it there. Then you're going to do the same thing with your left side. You're going to pinch that in the center and then line it up to where the left side is right where that part comes in at an arrow. Line that up and clip that together as well. And then go ahead and take your pin out of the center and hold all of the pieces right in the center there. Pull your clips off and get your needle and thread, and we're going to go in and out 6 times so that you have 3 creases in the center, and you're going to pinch those together, pull your needle through, wrap it around a couple of times in the center, and then turn it over and knot it in the back a good 2 or 3 times. And then we're going to take our scissors and snip that off. Now we're going to do the same thing to our other piece, and we'll just fast forward through this. If you would like to go through it slow again, you can go back to the first part and watch how I do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of open them up so you can get to the centers of each and put some glue on one of the centers and then press the other bow to that center so that you have a double bow, and this will give you 8 loops on your bottom part, and that's why it's called an octopus bow. So then we're going to do the exact same thing again to our last piece of ribbon, and this one is actually going to go on the top of our other 2 pieces, and we're just going to crease it, wrap around, tie it off, and snip it, kind of straighten it out a little bit, and take your glue and put some in the center of your larger bow and stick your smaller bow right to the center of that. And now we're going to do the backing. Just put a little bit of glue in the middle of your alligator clip and stick that smaller ribbon to it. Put some glue on the back of your bow, stick your alligator clip to it, and then wrap your ribbon around the center of all of the bow parts. And then you're going to trim off the ribbon and seal the ends, and then put some glue on that, open up your alligator clip and just stick that onto there. And now we're going to put our centerpiece on, and you can use just hot glue, or you can even use like a contact cement with it so that it'll stay on really nicely, and then you have yourself an octopus bow. Thank you for joining the Hairbow Master, and I will see you in the next video.